In this video, we're going to have a look at integrating a trigonometric function that is in terms of sec and tan. And it's actually in that form, sec to the power of nx, tan x, and both parts of our function are in that same format. So we're actually going to have a look at some differentiation to help us with this integration. Now, you might know that if y is equal to sec x, then dy by dx is equal to sec x tan x. And this is that very similar format to what we have. We just have powers on the sec. So now what we're going to imagine is, well, what about if y was equal to sec to the power of 6x? Now, you might find it easier to write it as sec x to the power of 6, have a bracket, because what you're going to see is that if we use the chain rule to differentiate this, what we would end up with is we'd bring our power down, so that's a 6. We bring our differential out, so that's going to be sec x tan x, and then we lower our power by 1. Now, if I was to simplify this, this is going to give me 6 sec to the power of 6x tan x. So when we differentiate sec to the power of 6x, we get 6 sec to the power of 6x tan x. And this looks very much like what we've got in our integral. The only difference is we've got an extra 6 on our differential. So let's do the same with our sec to the power of 4x. So if we had y is equal to sec to the power of 4x, and we differentiated this, we'd bring our 4 down, we'd bring our differential out, which is the sec x tan x, and we'd lower our power by 1. And once again, this is going to simplify to give that same format that we've got in our question. So now let's have a go at integrating our function. Okay, so our function is sec to the power of 6x tan x. Now we know if we had an extra 6 there, our integral would be sec to the power of 6x. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 1/6 of sec to the power of 6x. And then we're going to do the same for the second term. So again, this one we've got an extra 4. So we're going to do a 1/4 sec to the power of 4x plus c. So using that differentiation can help us see how to integrate a more complex function.